Okay, pictures, people, or nature, people. So, I was here. This was my basically trip to Fort Whyte. And yes, I am Canadian. There's squirrels there. That's the nature pictures. Sorry if you heard that in the background. That's my sister. So, yeah. Squirrels. This is the time when I got very close to a squirrel. Woo! Ready? See that squirrel? Yeah. He just comes in front of me, right there. He's so close to me, and then he runs away. Yeah, goose there, geese, whatever stuff. Water. This is the view, the water, and the squirrel's back. Well, that might be the second one actually. There's two squirrels, and we got on the bench. It was hilarious. There's the view, and there's a whole flock of seagulls. Wait, no, it's not that part yet.